Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be featuring some artwork made with the new collection from Close to My Heart called Beach Party. And this is going to be available starting July 1st and going through September of 2022. This is our first 3-month catalog in a long time. So this collection is so fun. I had the perfect pictures to go with it because we took a trip to Florida in the spring, and I was so delighted to see it. It's a really fun collection. It has candy apple, bluebird, sapphire, capri, clover, shortbread, Sundance, mocha, and of course white daisy. But look at the little van. It's so cute. That's included on the sticker sheet. And there are it's more actually, I think, adult, but you definitely can use it for kids. It's got beach balls and some fun icons on this sheet. Let's go ahead and look. Here it is. So this is a blue wave. This is a Sundance crosshatch, a red stripe, the beach balls, the swimmers, but they look adult as swimmers. This is a fun one. You'll see in the artwork, it's like blankets and umbrellas on the beach. And then the sticker sheet is a lot of fun too. So, and these have that UV coating. And it also has rubber shapes that come with the collection that you could buy. And I can't wait to get the digital art. And the Picture My Life cards are just phenomenal as well. So yeah, I really like this collection. So I'm just going to feature that in this particular video. And this is also featuring this stamp set, which is the Beach Party Scrapbooking stamp and thin cut, which has some really fun titles. And I love this little like blanket. It says beach time. Of course, you could, color that in, not even have it say beach time. But this is a surfboard, right? So this oval shape could be used for a lot of different things. The thin cut, you don't have to stamp time to relax on it. You can just use it as that oval. It's very large, and you'll see that in the artwork. Okay, so this is the first page that I did. And look at how cute they are. This is for my grandson's first beach visit, and we put his name in the sand for Chase and for 8/22, and he didn't know what to make of the sand. And he's like, "What? Pick me up, what are you doing?" And then when the waves came in, he was just so happy. He thought it was just the coolest thing ever. Of course, babies, but he just loves everything. So this was a really fun page. It's just some strips of the paper, and there's that beach paper, and a bunch of the stickers were popped up with foam tape. And I did do some splatters. I mixed some of the oxide inks with some white gesso to get that capri color. Actually, this is bluebird, but it was a capri color. I think it was mermaid, or it may have been chip sapphire. I'm not sure, but I used one of the distress oxides to just add some color to the gesso so it wasn't stark white. And there's one of the stamps there. This is a sticker title, and yeah, it's really fun. And there's a little bottle that says yum in it. It's so cute. That's one of the stamps. All right, and I think that's about all here. This is done with some ombre stamping. I stamped it in the Sundance and then added some of the candy apple to the stamp before I pressed it down. So, okay, second layout is this one. And there is that Volkswagen van. It's just so cute. And the beach ball paper. And this was white daisy, and one of the techniques was to use watercolor pencils when creating this. And I did swashes of the watercolor pencil color, and then I just added some rays with the pencil to give it that sun ray effect. And that's a sticker from the stamp set, and I like these too. They're really cute. So these pages came out really neat, and these little rubber shapes are really cool too. I love the little sunglass ones. And there you see the flip-flops. They're done with the watercolor pencils. It's a very cool technique. And this is done with the watercolor pencils where you stamped it 2nd generation candy apple, and I just used the watercolor pencil to add some more color to the title to make it pop. And the same with this one. And of course, more of the splatters. I'm really, really liking doing the splatters. And lastly, this one just, I got so many pictures on this. The banners were the focal thing that really brought it to life. I added a bunch of these little acrylic pieces from the VIP special they had, and I thought they worked really well because they were in the primary colors, same as what was in this layout. And I did a bunch of the stickers. I used up all the stickers from the sticker sheet except for 2 borders. This is all I've got left, is the 2 wave borders. Okay, so what else did I do on this? Oh, the best thing ever, flip-flaps. So that one, and I did the arrows to show that there are flip-flaps. And that one goes that way. And then there's one here, and I did this arrow here, so that would go up. So I got 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 photos on this 2-page layout. So this was really fun, and use those rubber shapes again to add some interest to these. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is a really nice collection. I can't wait to see what everybody makes with it. It's a lot of fun. Hope everybody has a great summer and, you know, gets lots of photos of summer things. Got a couple cards we made too. And this is just one of the stickers. We put it up on some foam tape. Stamp the flip-flops. Just put some layers of paper on, and then I did do some splatters. And those are the rubber shapes. And then this one, keeping cool by the pool. I love these little sunglasses. They're so cute. Just some strips of paper, and that's a zip strip. So yeah, some really fun things. All right, so have a great day. I'll have close-ups at the end. Take care.